You do this once. Just once. And everything around you starts to shift. The way people talk to you. The way they look at you. The respect. The energy. The opportunities. And it's not because they changed. It's because you finally did. Most people never realize this. They go their whole lives trying to get people to treat them better. But they never take a second to look at who they've become. The truth is, the world treats you exactly how you treat yourself. If you walk like a victim. If you speak like you're unsure. If you act like you're waiting for permission to live your life, that's how people will handle you. They won't respect you. They won't follow you. They won't value you, because you're not giving them a reason to. The second you stop chasing validation. The second you stop explaining yourself to everyone. The second you start moving with purpose, that's when people start paying attention. You hit the gym, not to impress, but to transform. You get your money right, not to flex, but to gain freedom. You educate yourself, not to sound smart, but to become powerful. It's the small habits. Waking up before the sun, putting your phone down and picking up a book. Saying no to the party so you can build in silence. Doing what needs to be done, even when no one's watching. That's the man people start to notice. That's the man people start to respect. Not because he's loud, not because he demands it, but because his presence speaks louder than words ever could. You stop chasing women, and they notice. You stop trying to be liked, and people start watching you. You stop talking so much, and people lean in when you speak. Why? Because now, you're carrying the weight of discipline, of effort, of real self-respect. You walk with a straight back. You hold eye contact. You move with a mission. That energy is rare. And in today's soft, distracted world, rare gets treated differently. This is what real masculinity is about. It's not about being aggressive or loud. It's about being unshakable. It's about being rooted. It's about being unavailable for anything that doesn't serve your purpose. So here's your challenge, do it once. Get up early, hit the workout, stay silent instead of seeking approval, say no to the distraction, push through the resistance. Start acting like the man you were born to be. Do it once. Just once. And watch how people start treating you different. You won't need to beg for attention. You won't need to fight for respect. You'll just live it. And the world will respond to you the way it responds to any force of nature. With respect, with curiosity. If you're ready for that shift, if you're done being average. If you're done waiting for something to happen, drop a comment saying I am in. Say it like you mean it. Let the world know, you've arrived. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'm here to help you create the life you deserve.